What's happening, guys? It's Dan from General Tech HQ here, and in today's video I've been sent a super cool product to show you. This is a Bluetooth foldable keyboard, and as well as it looking really good, which you're going to see in a minute, its functions are even better. I hope you enjoy. So I'm sure all of you can agree that the keyboards that really we have to put up with our iPhones and iPads and products like these are, they're all right, but they cannot be matched with an actual physical keyboard. And that is why I'm showing you this product today, because this is an actual physical keyboard. It folds up so it's portable, and it can also support up to 3 devices at one time. I will be giving you a demonstration in just a minute, but just imagine the scenario. You've only got your iPhone and you need to type like a long essay, which I definitely do at the minute, or a really long email, and you have to use that tiny keyboard, straining your thumbs. It's not what you want. So this is where this comes into play. As you can see how small the box is, that's actually how small the keyboard folds into. You unfold it, hook up your Bluetooth, and then you are away. And it also has some really cool functions on the actual keyboard itself. So anyway, enough talking, let's unbox this. So anyway, as you can see, even from the packaging, this is a small product because the whole idea of it is to be portable. So as you can see, it's got a picture of the product on the front. Now let's have a look at what it looks like in real life. So straight away, you have the actual keyboard here, all wrapped up and protected. Then you have a user's manual right there, so you can get it all set up with your up to 3 devices. And then just here, you have a micro USB charging cable, because of course this needs to be charged because of the Bluetooth operations going on. So anyway, now let's actually take a look at what this keyboard looks like, because I know that is definitely an important factor in a product that you want to be carrying around. You want it to look good, of course, and this will not disappoint at all. Look at how good this looks. So I'm not sure how well the camera is actually picking this up, but I really hope you can see this absolutely gorgeous brushed aluminium design on both sides. One of the sides has the company logo and a few bits of information on the back, and the other side is just completely plain. A really nice design. So this is the keyboard in its folded and portable form. As you can see, it's got aluminium on the top and bottom, and then white on the side. It sort of reminds me of an iPhone design, actually. And then if we go ahead and open it up to show you what it actually looks like as a keyboard, really simple. Just go like this, and there you go. Once it's opened up, you actually don't have to use it on a flat surface like this. You could be using it on your lap, for example. So what you're going to want to do is just use this lock here, and that will lock it into place so that it doesn't fold anymore. So as you can see, it is a really nice design, just simple, plain sort of whitey grey colour, and it is just a normal QWERTY keyboard, but it does also have some really cool functions here. You can see there's a brightness function, an internet one, and that will all become clear when I show you in the demonstration what they do. So as for how easy it is to pair these devices up, it really could not be easier. So what you're going to want to do is, whether you've got an Android, Apple, or any Bluetooth running device, go onto the Bluetooth settings, turn Bluetooth on, and then go to the keyboard and press and hold this P button here, which stands for pair. Then it's going to start to flash green and red, and then it will recognize it on the phone or tablet as LT1282. So we'll go ahead and press that, and then we have to key in this 4-digit code here, 7219, enter, and then we are connected to the keyboard. So it's that easy. You just have to put in that 4-digit code so the 2 devices are linked up. So as well as just pairing up the iPhone, I've also gone and paired up the iPad, and for this demonstration we'll go ahead and use the iPad, only just because it's a bigger screen for you guys to see. But as I said before, this can be Bluetooth linked up to 3 devices at one time, which is just brilliant. So first off, let's test how sort of responsive this keyboard is, and let's start by typing in a note. So I'm going to type, "This keyboard is amazing." Oh, misspelled amazing, so I can go ahead on my backspace, amazing. So you can see there, it really is responsive. You can see really clearly that when I tap a key, It literally goes straight to the iPad via the Bluetooth. It is absolutely no delay at all. So as I mentioned before, this is absolutely ideal for long emails, essays, and even notes like this one. But not only does this keyboard actually offer just typing capabilities, it also has a lot more. I don't know if you can see there, but we've got a function key, and then we've got a load of blue sort of icons all over the keyboard, and these are fully functional. So let me show you them. So if I go ahead and hold function and then the V button here, you can see it's got a large light symbol. Let's see what that does. Function there, and you can see I can control my brightness. So if I do function and C, I can turn my brightness way down. As you can see, very responsive. If I do function V, I can turn my brightness up. So as you can see, this really does go beyond just typing words. This is an actual functioning keyboard. If we do function and D, you can see there is a picture of a keyboard. So if I press that, it brings the keyboard up for me, so I can then go ahead and physically type something in, say maybe add an emoji, which is something we can't do on the keyboard. So as you can see, there are loads of functions. There's one over here which has a play pause button and then a skip button, which can be used for if you're controlling music. You can also turn volume up and down and mute. There's also really other cool sort of functions such as the function X, which will take you straight to the internet from whatever you're doing. And there's also function A, which will help you do a spotlight search on the homepage. So once you've used all of these cool functions and you have finished with your keyboard for today, it's really super simple to put it back to its portable form. All you have to do is unlock it like so, fold it across, make sure you turn it off to conserve battery there, so we'll turn that off. And then it clicks into place, and it has what feels like a sort of small magnet here, which sort of just keeps it in place. And there you go, super portable. Then you can turn your device off and you're ready to go. So in case you haven't been able to gauge actually how portable this device is, the exact product dimensions are 160 by 96 millimeters. This is certainly a size that would fit in, say, a jacket pocket and definitely fit in any sized bag. So as I said before, this does work on Bluetooth. It's Bluetooth 3.0, which most devices support. Obviously, before you buy it, go ahead and check that your devices are compatible, and then it works up to 10 meters, which is just brilliant. So as well as this being an incredibly practical and cool product, it's also very affordable, which is always great. It's currently on sale on Amazon UK for $24.99, which is just brilliant for what you actually get, and it is also available in the US. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's review on the Bluetooth foldable keyboard from Perix. I think it's a really, really great product. As I said before, it is affordable, and if you want to check it out, link is in the description. And if you have enjoyed today's video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe here for lots more tech reviews. Have a great day.